We are getting ready for the Forged Fantasy Fairy Festival.
There you go.
Which is this weekend. So this Saturday, the 26th, and Sunday, the 27th, from 10 to 5.
Yes. And it is free admission.
Yes, and it's indoors. It's supposed to rain on Saturday, which I'm hoping might help our cause, because, like, what else are you going to do on a rainy day?
Right.
Nothing.
And you can just wander around inside.
Yep, come to the mall and see us. So, in honor of that, this is kind of a very, this is like, remember in the 90s where they had a very special episode? It was very heartwarming and it usually had some lesson. This is no lesson to it, but it is still a very heartwarming episode because it's very personal. I'm gonna summon a surprise. So, again, we want something favorite related. Mushrooms seem to be very popular right now. Summon together. Oh, good thing they're made sturdy.
Caplings.
Oh, what could that be? Where
Yeah,
could
what
they
are
come
these?
from? I guess the only way to figure out is to open them up. So I
One was trying to escape.
say, before they escape, let's open them up. Welcome to Z's Toy Box. I'm Z.
B.
Today, as I mentioned, this is a very special episode. We are bringing you Caplings. Now, usually, like right here is where I'll make the little text come that says Capling, and like down this way is where I have them say where they're from. Break it down. Me! I did this! I'm the problem. I made this. Maybe about 2 years ago, received a 3D printer as an awesome gift. I'm also kind of a little eco nerd, so I'm not big on plastics. As you can see by the show, a lot of times our toys, we rate them over like plastic waste. So I was like, okay, if I'm going to use a 3D printer and make stuff, I'm going to do something that I created. So I'm thinking this has to be easy. Listen. It took us over a year. I molded large-scale creatures. I bought a 3D scanner. I'm not getting paid for the show. I got the cheapest 3D scanner on the market. And guess what? It showed. Took us forever to 3D scan models. Some friends helped to then render them into 3D files that we could shove in my printer and it would work its sorcery. I guess there's some science involved. I'm pretty sure it's full of tiny gnomes. And until I finally got what are in these boxes, yes, it was a year-long process.
Now, remind me, it's resin, not plastic.
Yes, it was, I think I'll put a picture here somewhere, a Mars, this will be an unboxing of that, the Mars LiQWYD printer, and it's a resin. So, I know what I made. B here is going to do the unboxing. So, I will let you get right to it.
Well, inside, wouldn't you know it, it's a Z's Toy Box card.
It's us!
And also for Zap Witchcrafts.
Listen, you all know from this show, our favorite thing is to pull out that flyer and see all the ones you can get. I'm working on that. Maybe next season.
Well, there's at least no instructions.
That's the point. I did that on purpose. I made no instructions.
No
What do we do with it? We chuck
throw
them.
it. And then we have this little guy, and then he has his little cat.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
So, since there's not a little thing showing you or telling you about them, these are the Caplings. There are 5 to collect. There are 5 bodies and 5 mushroom caps that come off so you can interchange them all. Each box, you don't know which body you'll get or which cap you'll get. So it's kind of rough.
So this
I'll
guy's,
admit.
he's a little bit longer.
That I call the sassy one.
I
He's
like-
going.
I do like the sassy one. Well, okay, he's really cute. He's sort of short and
It's
squat,
a
like
chubby
me. Now all I need is a blue cap.
That's the best part of these because you can interchange it. So hopefully you get a blue cap and then you can put that on there.
Oh.
Did you find it?
I think so. Got another tall, skinny guy with a blue cap.
So now, here, I trade you.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Oh, this is kind of cool. And he looks like he's just chilling.
So yes, this here is officially the Little Capling Series 1 family. I'm already in the process of possibly designing Series 2. Well, thank you so much for tuning in. Again, this very special episode just because it was something that I got to... Yeah, these are literally my babies. Make sure you tune next time for more random finds, random mysteries, and who knows what else.
Literally. Who knows what else?
Yes, because now, the scary thing is, before the options were just things I found in stores. I mean, summoned. Now,
Yeah.
can't be coming from in here.
That's pretty dangerous.
And that's that.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and come see us at the Forged Fantasy Fairy Festival.
How do you say it so flawlessly each time?
I practice.
This weekend, 22nd, 27th, 10 to 5 or later. So, yeah.
And free.
You see us, come to our stand, say hi. We want to
Yes.
meet you. And we will be looking for you. So, come check out some Caplings, check out us, and have fun at the Fairy Fest.
Bye.
And here we have our Fire and Ice Dragon Duel building kit. And don't forget to check us out this weekend at the Forged Fantasy Fairy Festival. Come find our booth, and it's going to be lots of fun. Hope to see you there.